Hey guys! So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I will be eating slime. Yes, you heard me. I will be eating slime. Edible slime, not real slime. Anyways, it's not real slime, but it will be Jello slime, as you can see on the top of the Jello. And it is going to be the strawberry kind, and this kind is the unicorn slime, and it's 100% edible, and it is the strawberry flavor, and it has an artificial flavor. And we have a word from Fly High on a Unicorn. Fly high on a unicorn. Climb aboard and get ready to soar. We're going to see a unicorn's power come to life. Want to search for rainbows and other magical creatures? Maybe we'll meet a fairy. Only our imaginations can slow us down when we use slime to play. So let's play! Let's read the instructions. So, would y'all like to read the instructions with me? Oh, silly me, we're in quarantine. Okay, so y'all can't read it with me, but you can hear me read it. Measure 3 level scoops of slime mixture into a medium bowl. Pour 1 scoop of warm water into bowl. Stir with spoon for 30 seconds. Add 1 tablespoon of warm water if you want to smoother slime. Play using your hands. So I'll open it. You open it. So this comes with a spoon. Look. Oh wow. So here's the scooper. It's kind of messy. I have my water and my bowl. Let's start. It says I need 3 level. I have no idea what the 3 level is. Oh. Okay. So I got my first full scoop. This is a wreck. Okay. Oh. This is super messy, guys. Or it's just me, because I am very clumsy. And guys, I'm going to tell you a story. Story time, not in the story corner. So, one day, me and my mom were out at the store. And at the register, I kept on making a fool of myself by making my money fall. And that's how clumsy I am. So, isn't it such a beautiful, messy day? Because it is very messy. It's probably just me because I'm clumsy, or it's the powder. I'll clean this up first, guys. Give me a sec. So, hey guys, I'm back with today's video. I'm just kidding, guys. We are not restarting the video, but my spot is clean now. So, now, all we need to do now is add 1 tablespoon of warm water if you want smoother ice cream. So, I believe we're supposed to be... it's not ice cream, guys. I'm sorry. My bad, guys. I'm just thinking of ice cream. But I was looking at the instructions. Oh, wait. Pour 1 scoop of warm water into a bowl and then stir it for 30 seconds. So we gotta do that, guys. I believe I'm supposed to be using this. I'm going to pour this in here. It's strawberry. Now I have to stir for 30 seconds. Okay, I did that for 30 seconds, but I want to redo that. This is so clumpy. It's liquidy, guys. I have to add 1 tablespoon of warm water if I want smoother ice cream. Smoother slime. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, I can do this. All stuck at the bottom, guys. So this might be a mess up. Who knows? Because this is quite messy. But slime's supposed to be messy. I can't get towards the bottom. Okay, guys, so it was a little bit of a mess up, but I had to have a grown-up help me out. My mom had to help me out. You might need a grown-up to help you out too. So whoever lives with you or something like that, see if it's okay with them. And if they say that's fine, ask for help like a regular child. Because it gets hard to stir. And we actually had to add extra water and extra powder. And this is how it came out. I'm going to use this spoon. This is how it came out, guys. This is the funnest Jell-O I ever played with. So this is actually the only food I will get to play with. So, time to test it out. Ooh, this is fun. Okay, guys, you really want to do this. It's so good. This is the goodest and funnest Jell-O I ever played with. Okay, guys, I'm getting overexcited. I will link where I got it from, and you can probably get it on the app. But I will leave that in the link below. Tastes powdery but good. It tastes like a whole lot of strawberry powder. It's delicious. I like powder so much. I ate Swiss Miss powder before. That's my biggest secret. Never told you. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So, I'm going to go wash my hands. Subscribe to these slimy hands. Bye!